All right, I just received this in the mail. And what this does is, see if I can get it open. You put it on your finger and it will tell you how far you've walked. Of course you can't. How do you get these things just don't open easy. Did get this off Amazon. I'll put the link in there just in case you guys want to. All right, so the first thing you're going to have is a problem getting it to open up. I got my fingernails in it. Oh, here we go. That was ridiculous. All right, there's this. And it comes here. And you open it up. There it is. And I do believe you're going to have to hook this up to your phone. And then all you do is just basically put it on your finger. Of course, it doesn't fit mine. I don't want to get it stuck, but you put it on your finger, and then it reads your pulse. It reads your blood pressure, and it tells you how far you walked. It also checks out your sleep. If you're waking up, snoring, I don't know. So we're gonna have to read about it. But I'm giving this to my girlfriend for Christmas so that we can see how far she moves in the day. Now, it does come with a USB to USB-C. So you have to charge it, right? So, and I'm thinking that we charge this. Yeah, here it is, right there. So you've got it goes in a certain way. You see how it's got these little ruffles? So you got to get it to fit in there with that part right on there. Oh, there we go. So it's, it's supposed to set in there. And then boom, you go like that. And then you're just going to plug it in here. And I think, it doesn't really show me, oh, there. So it's showing that it's charging. So we'll let it charge, and then in the meantime, we'll read about this. And I'm sure it's got a QR code in here somewhere. Yeah, there it is. So you've got to download the app. It's JCRing. Once you've downloaded the app, then it's going to do these things. Here, look. Right here. Basically what it does heart rate monitor. It does your O2, oxygen concentration, sleep tracking, stress, skin temperature, your activity, your training, and it does women's health too, apparently. I don't know if you want it monitoring your menstrual cycle, but yeah. All right, so anyway, you're going to need to read through this. We're going to let this charge, and then we will hook it up to the phone and see if we think that it's a viable solution for figuring out what's going on in our health. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this.